Hi, today I'm for the BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. You'll see here Wi-Fi switcher, just click on the switcher to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi. After that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks, enter the password. If you want to see this password, just click on this checkbox. After that, just tap to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. So just to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, click on the switcher, done, and select the network, enter password, tap to connect, and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and after that you'll just select your network, enter the password, and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.